If you want a high-end local TV commercial, traditional agencies will tell you to prepare for a multi-day film shoot, a $5,000 budget, and 3 weeks of endless meetings. But what if you don't have 3 weeks? When the Parker Chamber Foundation needed to drive immediate ticket sales for their upcoming festival, they didn't have time for the traditional cable bottleneck. They just had a few static photos, a logo, and a deadline. Using modern, AI-assisted video production, we bypassed the film crew entirely. In under a week, we took those static 2D images and engineered dynamic motion, broadcast-ready pacing, and professional audio. The result? 2 premium 15-second streaming commercials delivered at a fraction of the traditional cost and a fraction of the time. But in this business, seeing is believing. Here's exactly what we delivered. No film crews, no waiting, just stunning video ads that demand attention.
Get ready for Fiesta Parker, Saturday, August 22nd in downtown Parker. Enjoy the ultimate celebration of Latino culture. Amazing authentic food, vibrant dancers, and thrilling lucha libre wrestling. Buy your tickets online today to save $10. Visit fiestaparker.com.
Experience the rhythm of Fiesta Parker on August 22nd. Catch non-stop live music featuring headliner Iscali. Plus, every adult ticket enters you to win a 4-day getaway to Jalisco, Mexico, including a VIP tequila distillery tour. Get your tickets now at fiestaparker.com.
Scan the code or reach out today, and let's get your next campaign moving.